Disconnect the monitor wire and sensor wire. Using your screwdriver, remove the 4 screws from the back of the old monitor. Gently lift the monitor away. Remove the 4 screws of the monitor handle and take away the bracket fixer. Take out the bracket and remove the black washer. Place the black washer into the new bracket and insert it through the bracket on the side. Tighten down the 4 screws of the fixer. Insert the monitor connector through the hole. Tighten down the 4 screws in the back of the monitor. Reconnect the sensor wire and monitor wire.